What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Cryptogod Eli, here today to update y'all on the latest crypto news. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button under beneath. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and Twitter at Cryptogod Eli1. Okay, by the way, this is not financial advice. Today I'm here looking at a token called MoonKing. Let's get straight to it. MoonKing public pre-sale starts over in 1 day, 1 hour, 16 minutes, and 25 seconds. Fasten your seatbelts and settle in. We're getting ready to go to the moon. Stay tuned. We kings below the moon. Buy your pink sale. MoonKing feature. BUSD liquidity pool. We will provide a stable MKing /VUSD liquidity pool after 45D from launch. So we are independent from the price of BNB. Community rewarding token. We will be doing regular giveaways and even bigger shilling competitions, because only with a big and strong community we can build something great. Sheep holding rewards. 5% of each transaction is distributed as SHIB to token holder. That you got a stable coin as passive income. MKing. Top tier marketing. The people in our marketing team are experienced marketers. We are assured to bring you more than just a profitable token. Why MoonKing? MoonKing roadmap. Sorry guys. We think it's important for everyone to know what's ahead. Phase 1. Pre-preparation. Team creation, tokenomics, and rough roadmap creation. Social media setups, website building, market planning. Tokenomics. Phase 2. 10.9.8. Soft marketing start giveaways. Shilling competition. Website launch. White paper roadmaps. Tokenomic announced Telegram. Chart launched. Pre-sale and launch on BSC. First manual burn. Coin hunt / coin sniper. Listing plus votes. .cmc /cg listing. Heavy marketing. YT. TikTok. Reddit. Aid. Influencer partnerships. Audit. Phase 4. Moontime site revamp, listing and voting system for new token / coins, update roadmap, release unique NFTs collection, utility based partnership, CEX listing, BUSD liquidity pool, further marketing. Beyond our galaxy ecosystem setup to be announced. Tokenomics. 17% buy and sell. We got a question. We're here to help. When pre-sale, when launch. Pre-sale will be on Sunday, 5/12 at 12 p.m. EST, 05 p.m. UTC. Launch will be on Monday, 6/12 at 5 p.m. EST, 10 p.m. UTC, STC. What will the tokenomics be? Click that. What will hard cap be? Click that. Why the same name as a previous project? Click that. If you want information, more info about pre-sale, you're trying to find out about pre-sale, you click that. When marketing, click that. Any upcoming events, you click that. Stay connected. Twitter, Telegram, Instagram. That's all we have for today, and we